So today, I'll show you how to make a car in space. So let's start right away. I'll use this Porsche. I take every asset from BlenderKit so you can replicate it too. Then, I use a generic space HDRI. As we can see, this HDRI can fit, so I'll keep this one. Now, I rotate the car a little. At this point, I add an area of light for better lighting, and I rotate it so that it illuminates the car, and then I increase the power a little. Now, add a camera. I put it vertical so you can do those cool TikTok edits. I press Ctrl Alt 0 so it frames what I see. Now I select the car and add a keyframe on position and rotation. Then I move this frame before 0 so as to start the animation and it's already in motion. Then I go forward in the timeline. I change the position and rotation of the car and add a new keyframe. Now, I'll do some tests until I find the result I like. Now, let's animate the camera. So I select the camera and press I on position and rotation, while I'm one frame before 0 to add a keyframe. Now in the timeline, I go one frame ahead, and in the viewport, I put the camera in the view I want and press Ctrl Alt 0. Then, I add a keyframe as before. Now by starting the animation or scrolling the timeline, we can see the result. As you can see, it was simple and quick. But let's say this is a tutorial for beginners. If you want a more expert one with, for example, doctor animations, tires, or other things, write in the comments. So thank you for staying this far, and I'll see you next time.